Ephesians 4 verse 32, be kind and compassionate to one another, forgiving each other, just as in Christ God forgave you. Colossians 3 verse 12, therefore, as God's chosen people, holy and dearly loved, clothe yourselves with compassion, kindness, humility, gentleness, and patience. Proverbs 11 verse 17, those who are kind benefit themselves, but the cruel bring ruin on themselves. Luke 6 verse 35, but love your enemies, do good to them, and lend to them without expecting to get anything back. Then your reward will be great, and you will be children of the Most High, because He is kind to the ungrateful and wicked. Galatians 5 verses 22 to 23, but the fruit of the Spirit is love, joy, peace, forbearance, kindness, goodness, faithfulness, gentleness, and self-control. Against such things there is no law. Romans 12 verse 10, be devoted to one another in love. Honor one another above yourselves. Micah 6 verse 8, He has shown you, O mortal, what is good. And what does the Lord require of you? To act justly and to love mercy and to walk humbly with your God. 1 Thessalonians 5 verse 15, make sure that nobody pays back wrong for wrong, but always strive to do what is good for each other and for everyone else. Proverbs 3 verses 3 to 4, let love and faithfulness never leave you, bind them around your neck, write them on the tablet of your heart. Then you will win favor and a good name in the sight of God and man. Matthew 5 verse 16, in the same way, let your light shine before others, that they may see your good deeds and glorify your Father in heaven. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time. God bless you.